I'm Christian Staples with Arctic Spas. Many people ask us why we use the name Arctic instead of something normally associated with hot water like many other brands do. We use the name Arctic because we want you to know that an Arctic Spa is specifically designed for the world's harshest climates. Since we're built in Edmonton, Canada, engineering a hot tub for the cold climates just comes naturally to us. One of the major design differences with an Arctic Spa is what we call HeatLock. The HeatLock system is a perimeter insulating system, much like your home, that ensures that all the equipment, plumbing, and parts of the hot tub are protected by 3 to 4 inches of high-density urethane foam that's sprayed on the cabinet wall. Other brands will make you believe that in order for a water line to be insulated, the foam has to be sprayed directly onto the pipe. This could not be further from the truth. Look at your house for proof. The insulation is in the exterior walls. The water lines are on the interior walls of your home, where there is no insulation. Why is it done this way in your house? Because it is the right way to offer the highest level of protection. We do the same at Arctic Spas. We create an insulated box, and then we put all the components and plumbing inside to give you the maximum protection against the cold and the elements. Not only does this design offer the highest level of protection for your spa plumbing and equipment, we've taken it one step further. The electrical equipment in the spa creates heat. Every spa has to deal with this heat in some way. Every other spa uses vents in the cabinet to get rid of the heat, which wastes the heat to the outside. Because we do not have any vents in our cabinet, we actually utilize the water to act as a heat sink, drawing the heat away from the equipment, which keeps it running cool, but also helps to heat the water. Much like a hybrid car utilizes excess energy to save gas, the Arctic Spa is a hybrid hot tub utilizing the excess heat to save you money every month on your electric bill. Lastly, Arctic Spas have one more advantage that is often overlooked. Way back in 1989, I started out servicing all brands of hot tubs. Whenever there was a leak in another brand, I had to find the leak by taking apart the cabinet and digging out the wet foam until I found the source of the leak. With an Arctic Spa, it's a service tech's dream come true. Since the foam is sprayed on the cabinet instead of the plumbing, when you open up the access door, what you see is nothing more than naked plumbing. To find and fix a leak on an Arctic Spa, all you do is open the door and look for a leak. This saves hours of labor and lots of your money when you're paying for the repair. Most other spas are what they call fully foamed, which is deceptive because only 2/3 of the spa is actually insulated, while the last third, where the equipment is located, is completely without any kind of protection. It just doesn't make sense. There are vents in the cabinet to release all the hot air generated by the electric motor, which means that instead of utilizing their excess heat, they're wasting it. There's only one access panel, which limits your access to the spa for repairs. For repairs on the other 3 sides of the spa, you have to disassemble the cabinet, which costs you more money, and once again, it just doesn't make sense. So if you're looking for the best protection for your spa with hybrid heating, money-saving technology, look no further than the HeatLock system on the Arctic Spa.